Hey everyone, welcome back in the gluten-free kitchen. My name is Adu and I'm really excited to finally share with you guys the best version of my gluten-free bread flour mix. So basically for the past 3 months I've been acting like a lunatic, trying to find the best version of it, and it's been an absolutely horrifying game of trial and error because there are many errors along the way. But I'm really excited with the final result because in my opinion, it's definitely the best one in terms of the fluffiness of the dough and the way that it behaves in any recipe. So without further ado, let's start building up this gluten-free bread flour mix. We're going to start by measuring out all the dry ingredients using a digital scale and then placing them in this bowl. The first ingredient is going to be the white rice flour. We're going to need 300 grams of it, exactly 300 grams. Dump it in the bowl. Then 50 grams of brown rice flour. Up next, 250 grams of millet flour. Dump it in. 50 grams of buckwheat flour. Then moving on with the starches, we're gonna start with the cornstarch. 80 grams of it. The potato starch and the tapioca starch. Dump it in. 50 grams of lentil flour. Then 40 grams of psyllium roast. And we're going to use a fine scale to measure out the pectin and the guarga. 10 grams of each. And now we're going to whisk everything in. Bringing the whisk from the edges towards the middle of the bowl, and the final step is to transfer it into an airtight container and store it there for up to 3 months, or depending on the availability date of each individual flour used in this mix. And there you have it, my very own gluten-free bread flour mix. I can't wait to try out some new recipes using this one, and until then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.